Morning.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Mango.
Mango for breakfast? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good morning, Benjamin. What you doing? You find something to play again? You want to washing your clothes? Good job. Huh? And good morning, Emily.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah? Good sleep?
Yeah.
So what we gonna doing today?
We're gonna go to the train.
Yes, we gonna go to the
Kanchanaburi.
train. Yes. Good morning, guys. The days in Bangkok are over already. Clear the last thing, so we have a nice mango snack before we leaving. Now today we will go to the train station, and then from the train station we will using the train from Bangkok to Kanchanaburi. We made it now to Thonburi train station, railway station already. As you can see, the way to here was really super crazy. We got the Michael Schumacher from the taxi drivers. That guy was really speeding. It took us around 30 minutes from Sukhumvit coming to here, but we made it safe. Super crazy, that guy. We bought the tickets now already. For foreigner is 100 baht, Tick 25 baht, Emily 13 baht, and Ben is traveling for free. Opposite the train station they have the market area where we are right now. As you can see, a lot of shops over here where you can buy then some things what you would like to take on the train. Way there behind, starting from the fruits. Then here you have a shop who is selling the pork leg, and an Emily and Tick. What you got? Chicken and rice? Is it good, Emily? Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, and then my father bought something already for take on the train. And Mama got her dessert. What you got there?
Durian.
Julian. You like that?
Yes.
So you want to make the whole train smell or what?
No, I eat here.
I eat here. Better. It's good. Emily, you like also Julian? She wants some.
Yum.
Yummy? Really? 2.5 hours later we arrived in Kanchanaburi now already. Was really cool, the train ride. Benjamin also loved this one. And now outside the main station here in Kanchanaburi we got the same driver from 2 years ago. We still had the number from him and take contact to him, so we were using him again now because we were super happy with him last time.
Let's get scratching.
And made it to the hotel already, or let's say it's more like a resort. We are staying directly at the River Kwai, what is really cool. There's that one right there. Breakfast area from that place is there. So in the morning you have a very nice view to start your day, what is really cool. And then let me show you a little bit around here. They have a small pond. And then all around here are the rooms, and I will show you inside as well. This is our room, and the first very good thing is Emily have the bed by herself. So Mama and me, we have space tonight, huh Mama?
Yes.
Not same in Bangkok. And do you like it, Emily?
But I was super sick. 1, 2, 3, and fall down.
You fall down? Yeah, I have to be careful. Huh? You fall down one time in Bulilam already. Huh? Yeah, this is the room then. Huh? So we have a small single bed, and then we have one big bed, aircon of course. Then there's a small flat screen TV. They have a little bit space where you can put some things. Yeah, then a mirror, a small refrigerator, safety box, you have towels here, then free coffee, and then here is the bathroom, toilet, shower, and the sink. So that looks really cool. Kik, what do you think about that place here?
I like it.
I like it. That is the most important, because you know that. Happy wife, happy life. For me. It's really good. As always, I will put down the link down in the description if you would like to know more about this place here. So we will pack out some things now a little bit, and then we will go out inside the city center of Kanchanaburi and find some nice place for dinner. It was super hot. We needed to change the clothes for Benjamin, and then look at his shirt. How cool is that? Sink and Natasha. I still remember that you said about the t-shirts from Benjamin that you really like them. Little rocker boy. Okay, bye bye. We find a nice little shop here on the road for our dinner today. Let's see how it is. Made it back to the room now already. The dinner experience was after a long time that it really wasn't good. Mama, what do you think about that place?
Not really good.
Not really good. Now starting from, they really took time so much for that everyone in the end had the food. There was, I don't know, more than 30 minutes between from the first dish arrived on your table until the last one, and then the quality of the food or the taste of the food was also not really that good. The only thing what was good was the price, right? Because local prices. It was cheap, so that's the only positive now on that one, that we didn't spend so much money on some not really nice dinner. Yeah? But anyway, the day today was very good. The train ride was really funny now when you see Ben really enjoying that one, sitting and looking outside the window. Now we have a very nice place here for stay. I really like that one. Really cool. Yeah, so that is the vlog for today. More vlogs from Kanchanaburi are coming. Yeah, we're talking today with our driver from last time already about some plans and what we're gonna doing here. So looking forward for this one. Yeah, so we will end this one now, preparing the children for go sleep. And then we see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, you also say bye bye. Good job, little boy.